Hey everyone, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to review my last blog from this week. So given my blogs are mainly toward millennials, Gen Z, younger and experienced traders, I focused this week on something that millennials tend to be investing in the most, which is cryptocurrency. And in this video, I'm going to review the outline of my blog and how I describe 4 different ways to invest in cryptocurrency the right way, avoid the fallbacks, avoid the risks, and simply make the most out of your investment. Many people are believing that the government will issue cryptocurrency as a valid currency, internationally recognized, in the next 5 to 10 years. That said, it's important to get in on it now if you'd like to be a part of that valued currency in the future. However, there is always some fallbacks, always some things to watch out for to make sure you are investing the right way, the right time, and the right place. So here's your how-to guide to invest in cryptocurrency. Number 1, establishing your risk limit. A rule of thumb that all traders and investors know is that only invest the money that you are willing to lose, meaning that scared money, that survival money you need to pay the bills, buy your food, your water. That is not money you should ever be investing. As well as cryptocurrencies are not even safeguarded like other stocks, bonds, and other equities. They are highly volatile, high-risk investments that can fall, plummet anytime. So make sure you pad your portfolio with other stocks, bonds, precious metals, not just cryptocurrency, because that will be your downfall. Again, crypto is not even a valid sense of currency yet, so make sure it is supplemental to your portfolio and not the entire thing. Tip number 2 is to do your research. Now, with anything in investing, doing your own research, conducting that evaluation on your own is so important because a lot of millennials and Gen Z, we always hop on the bandwagon. We see others doing it, we get that FOMO, we're like, oh, we have to do this. No. Do your own research, set those risk limits, and make sure you are doing the right thing for you and your portfolio at this time. Cryptocurrency is not like gold or other things that we can hold and see its tangible value. It is in the metaverse, so it's very complicated as to what its intrinsic value is, depending on how the market's doing. There are many other tokens you can use to supplement your portfolio besides Bitcoin, even though it's the most popular.